Hi guys, welcome to Taste Like Home. I am your ProCook Tulu. Today I'll be remaking the KFC wrapsta box meal, and this is Versus. Now to get the ball rolling, for our original recipe chicken, these are the ingredients you will need. 2 drumsticks, 2.5 cups of ngomasi or buttermilk, 2 cups of flour which we'll be using for our coating, half a cup of flour which will be used when we drench our chicken, a full cup of breadcrumbs, it is chili powder, black pepper, oregano, thyme, and Portuguese spice. First things first, you're going to mix your half a cup of flour into your buttermilk or ngomasi. Other people like using eggs. I'm not really a fan of it when I'm deep frying, so I'm just using my ngomasi. So now for our chicken, we're going to drench it overnight into our ngomasi mixture. Please always make sure you do this overnight so that you can get that really thick, crunchy texture on the skin. Then you're going to mix your breadcrumbs with your 2 cups of flour. Then we're going to add all our spices together, and we're going to put those spices into our mixture that has got our flour as well as our breadcrumbs. And this is what our breadcrumbs and flour mixture looks like. And also, just go in there with your spices, but also be very careful with your chili spice. You don't want too much, because if you do, then you're going to have really hot chicken. And also, if you've not already subscribed, please make sure you do that right now. Once that is done, you're going to coat your chicken with your breadcrumbs and flour mixture, then back to our dredge, then back to our flour, then off it goes into our pan to be fried for 8 to 10 minutes at a medium heat to get the perfect, crispy, original recipe chicken.
And hit the like button.
And guys, you remember things when I am. And hey, hit that like button. And this is what our original recipe chicken looks like. Okay. Can you even hear anything? And now it's time to make our wrap. What you're going to need is a large size chicken breast, your ngomasi and flour mixture, your flour and breadcrumbs mixture, and you're going to need some chili powder. Alright, now I'm going to cut my chicken breast into half, not completely half, but I'm going to butterfly it. And I'm doing this so that I don't have a really thick chicken breast. Now to get the ball rolling, you're going to need to add your chili powder to your flour and breadcrumbs mixture. Then you're going to drench your chicken breast into your ngomasi and flour mixture. Then you're going to coat that into your flour and breadcrumbs mixture, then back to your ngomasi mixture, then back to your breadcrumbs mixture. Then we're going to go into our pan. And this is what our chicken fillet ready for our wrap looks like. And now it's time to prepare our final ingredient, which is our chips. I got store-bought chips, so I'm just going to pop these into our really hot oil. I'm going to do that until they are golden on the outside, and then I'm going to start assembling our wrapsta box. And this is what our chips look like. Alright, now it's time to assemble our wrap. So you're going to need a full tortilla, your chicken breast, slices of cheese, slices of tomatoes, some butter lettuce, and the secret ingredient, some chili-naise. Now first thing you're going to do is pour your chili-naise onto your tortilla. Be generous with this. Spread it out a bit. Now time to put in our lettuce, our tomatoes. Now time for our chicken. Some cheese in there. Let's put let's add some more chili before we do that. Close it. Phew. I'm really happy. Yeah. And this is what our wrapsta wrap looks like. We're going to be using a square bowl to make sure that everything fits in nice and tight in there, and making sure that it also just looks well presented. So we're going to place our wrap in first. I think let's have some chips followed by that. And some chicken. Oh, this looks so good. At KFC, do they give so much chips? That was just a joke. Just a joke. But when I be generous, if one of you know they are not, when please be generous. And this is what our original recipe chicken wrapsta box looks like. I don't know if I've got the mouth for this. Guys, wait again. That chicken fillet is beyond juicy. That chicken was just as perfect as the original recipe chicken. The crunchiness was just perfect, and the chips just wrapped it up all for me. Now don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as leave your comments down below.